Hello dear traders, my name is Alina, I'm a financial advisor at AMarkets. Today I would like to share trading ideas for the current week. The relative value of New Zealand dollar and the Australian dollar showed the greatest rise and fall respectively during the last week. Fundamental analysts believe there will be no more cuts for a while after the Fed's quarter point rate cut last month. Jeremy Powell supports this opinion, having a rather positive opinion on current United States economy. Reserve Bank of New Zealand decided to cut its interest rate too, which made the forex market put a greater focus on the United States dollar and the New Zealand dollar. This week is finally going to be refreshed by some macroeconomic events. Last week, a bullish candlestick on the S&P chart was very close to its all-time high at the session closing. There is bullish signs indicate that the price may rise further during the next week. Technically speaking, the dollar-yen pair is neutral, yet its downside potential is limited. On the daily chart, the pair has stuck around the 20th moving average. Indicators show their midlines, especially the Cayman indicator, which shows there is 45% of buyers on the market. On the 4-hour chart, the pair is around the 20th and 100th moving average, while the RSI in the oscillator has recovered from undersold levels but lost momentum near its midlines. The pair could have more chance of growing through the strong resistance 109 after a couple of pullbacks. USD CAD reached a 1-month high but then retracted and showed little change over the week. This week featured Canadian inflation and retail sales reports. The Canadian dollar gained some points, having recovered its loss in the middle of the last week. There are indicators on the United States and China are close to reaching a limited trade deal, and if they really are, we are supposed to see an improvement in risky instruments, which would be a bullish signal for the Canadian dollar. However, if we speak from technical point of view, then it's worth buying USD CAD in the short or middle term from current level because the Cayman indicator stays around undersold levels. The close support is located at the 1.3195 mark, and they are going to set a buy limit at this level as well. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel AMarkets Global and follow the main news from the financial markets.